Hello, good morning, guys. So much noise, guys. So much noise. Okay, guys. So let's start. Guys, today in the morning, early morning, there are so many. The moves are big in gold, in currencies, in Bitcoin, in indices. Indices also came down so much, while dollar went upside sharply in early morning. Yeah. Good morning, Munish. Good morning. So let's start. चलो आज स्टार्ट करते हैं. So much big moves, guys. So much big moves. No problem. No problem. चलो आज इसको देखते हैं कि होता क्या है. I have to adjust the charts, guys, because new settings. Monday we have so many news, guys. UCPI, wow. Guys, gold came down, but still it's in bullish. Yeah, gold came down, but still it's in a bullish momentum, not a bearish. So don't think that gold is a bearish. Yes, that retracement was due, so that's okay, but it's not a bearish. Gold is not a bearish. That is the first thing. Let me see. Now we have to work on our chart. The adjustment is done. We have couple of big newses also today, and in the early morning, the last time it happens also, in early morning gold came down sharply, currencies came down sharply, dollar went upside sharply, Bitcoin came down sharply, crude oil went upside, indices came down. Yeah, so this happened in the early morning. But it's not a bearish. Might be gold can come down more, but still it will stay in bullish, right? So don't confuse yourself that it came down, that it will be a bearish. No, it is not bearish. Okay, that is only you can say that trapping the buyer, trapping the sellers, yeah, to make you go in a sell, but it will go upside again. So gold is not bearish. That is the first thing, yeah. But the thing is, we have to buy at the proper area. What will be your entry? That is very important. Sometimes market at no zone of trade area, guys. There is no trade. Now the 4 hour will close after 40 minutes. That will be very important. But it's not a bearish. That is the key. You must know the direction. The first and important thing is the direction, yeah. And along with this, we will see some, if we have any selling opportunity as well on a scalping purpose. But one thing is sure, that it's not a bearish. Last day, if you remember, the gold was in afternoon, it was going only upside. Now it's good that it's coming on a both way. So it will give you a chance to go at the right and proper price. Okay, alongside we will see the buying areas and the selling areas also, but the priority is to stay in buy in gold. Doesn't matter that how much point it came already down, more it will be confirmed after 4-hour closing, and if it closes in this area at the same point, then it will go directly upside. Why? Because this is the area, support area, previous high structure. So possible directly from this area it will go upside, and it will give you opportunity in this candle, and there is a chances that the low has been created already. Okay, but still the candle is not closed, so the confirmation of upside from this area is not done. This is the main area. From this area gold can go, if it comes at this area, gold can go upside. Ali Anjum Ya Ali Madad, Pir Maula Ali Madad. Gold came down, but it doesn't mean that the direction is downside. Okay, still the direction is upside. Selling can be scalping, but buying will be for a day trade or for a swing trade. Don't be confused that market made, whenever it's making higher high, a new term high, then again it retraced to the down level, then again upside. So don't be confused, guys. If gold close at this area 4 hour, then gold will go directly upside. It will not come downside. Don't be a momentum trader, because momentum trader most of the time they traps. What is the momentum trader? Just like from the morning gold is coming downside, you will think that it will continue its downtrend, so that will be called a momentum trader. Most of the time they got trapped in the market. Remember last time on a Friday we had I have given a buy here. Remember at this area, because that is a breaker block area. That is a breaker block area. Look at this. This is, I have selected those areas. See this area, this is a breaker block area. So possible if 4 hour close here, gold directly from this area will go upside. It will not come downside again. At least for a new low, it will not. So don't try to do a short sell. Let it confirm first. This is the area of breaker block. Extreme level of breaker block has touched. Extreme means at the bottom side of breaker block. These are the buying areas. Important area first 72.76. Second most important area 63.70. The best area is 58 and 53 for buyers. Yeah. And we will select our selling areas as well. The first structure has been broken, and that will be this area. Okay, 92. From 92 to this area. These are very important areas. For sellers, yeah. Selling can be scalping, but direction is still upside. This will be your scalping sell area, yeah. 96.28.101. This area can be for scalpers for sell, yeah. But we will see the first 4-hour closing. 4-hour closing. If it closes around this area, then your first priority should be in buy. See, so right now market is at no trade zone area. Let it close. If it closes and if it comes down first, then 72 will be your buying area. 72, 73. But overall it's still bullish. No selling, guys. In early morning there is huge downside on currencies, especially euro and pound and gold, bitcoin. All these things came down sharply, guys. Yeah, most of the time, see, in the morning when you open the market, you just have to do your analysis. No trade. The first thing you have to find, that is your direction. Where is the direction? So direction is upside, not a downside. Then the second thing, which area, I mean the important zone for buying or for selling, according to direction. If you got a direction for upside, your target should be for buying. Look at this list, last 30 minutes, the closing is good. Look at this. So far 1 hour looks good. So far 4 hour also looks good. It can be changed, but right now it's a bullish one. Why? Look at this previous high. Remember, before going upside for a new high, there was this area. See, now it breakout at this area, it got a breakout, went upside. Now it is a retest. People will think that now it turned in a bearish. Actually no, it came just for a retest. So the direction is the first thing which is very important. You have to know the direction, you have to stay in the direction. A good trader always, see the difference between a good trader and a bad trader or a new trader. See, a good trader makes his analysis, wait for the proper area for the market to come into their zone, whether it's a buy, whether it's a sell. So they respect the market, they wait for it. Why? Because they need a good trade. See, the motive is to get a good trade. But a new guy or a bad trader, they need a good profit. So it's a psychological effect. A person who needs a good profit means he will trade on any price, and he will get stuck, he will get trapped in the market. That is the difference between a good trader and a bad trader. Mostly we think that if I don't trade here, I will miss the trade. So never think like that, because market is always here. You have to take care of your losses. You have to take care of your money management, right? So don't think ever that you will, if you don't trade here, you will miss the trade, or you will miss a good move. Okay guys, so this trend line is for the resistance, and according to 1 hour, these are our first selling areas, which will be, I will consider this area as a scalping, yeah, because we will stay against of the trend, and the area is for selling is 96.2802. First proper buying from a breaker block will be 27.22, then 63, then 58.53, right? 63 and 72 is the structure buy, and 58.53 is a channel buy, one of the best one, one of the big one. If you got a buy at this area, you will get a good profit. Chances are that market will totally reverse from this area to up area. So the more you wait, the more you will get a good price. Okay, let me see the comment. If we have a comment, yes. I have made 5k scalping Bitcoin. Very good. Simungo yani aku kaga entry dulu. Back test lagi. Very good. So that's a good. Nathan is from Indonesia. He is trading in his Bitcoin also. Trading good with good risk reward. See, the thing is, you have to take care of your risk. You have to take care of your money first. Because if you have a capital, you can fight with the market, you can trade. So that should be your first priority. But that is 100% that market is not a bearish gold. It can come down till 58.53 also, but still it will be bullish until and unless it's not breaking the area. Because remember one thing, remember one thing from this area, from 2600, 2000 pips from the current market till the downside, from there it has started its direction. So if you want to be a seller, a swing trade, so wait for this level to be break. If this is broken, then only it will be bearish. So until and unless it's a bullish, so stay in the buy, but with the proper area, the first thing. Secondly, proper money management. You can hold it, yeah. Most of the time, if you take a position in hurry, you will get tired. It will give you, it will take so much time to come into your favor again. So our buying, these are our buying areas, and this is our scalping sell area. Remember one thing, yeah. Whenever we go against of the trend, remember, against of the trend. If you are doing a short sell in the gold right now, you are against of the trend. So against of the trend is always a risky. You can have a profit, because many people did a short sell yesterday on a Friday means. Once it came down, look at the 15 minute, depends on the strategy. Now look at on 15 minute, it came down, took a support, see, structure was supported, late night, went upside again, make a double top. This was a nice double top, a very small stop loss. And look at this, I will show you. See, that's why learning is very important, guys, yeah. You will see things differently. See, now I will show you, this was the 15 minute, now it is a 5 minute. My every student knows this strategy. See, on 5 minute, once it came down, on given you the confirmation, this was the 5 minute. Look, from this area it has given you the confirmation with a very small stop loss. How to play with the time, candles time, how to get a confirmation, that is very important. Now look at this, after that it never went upside, it came down, breakage of a structure, retest of a structure, then came down, then again a structure, retest, before coming downside also structure retest again, then again downside. So this is how we use our time frame for the confirmation, for the rejection, which pattern. I mean, that 15 minute was a strategy. That was a double top strategy. It doesn't mean that that was 100% that you will take a profit from this one. Nothing is 100%. So you have to make your plan, strategy plan, trade plan, and stay with it and respect it. If you got a profit, good. If you didn't, then it went upside against of you, take a loss and come out. That is a pure trading. Double top was done, confirmation on 5 minute was done, and now look at this. Okay, now just like this one, if it closes, just an example, if it closes here also, that will be a bullish closing. But it doesn't mean that it will go upside directly. It can come down and make a double bottom downside. See, at this area. That's why I have selected these areas. It can come down, make a double bottom, and again upside. First, it has to give the downside rejection and upside confirmation. Ali Anjum bhai bol rahe, very good. Very good. See, all these things, look at this, these are the students. That's why I'm telling you to learn it. These are the students. Now currently trading at the current market. See, look at this, his strategy, his direction. Look at this, his buy price, which I have selected those areas. Right now, he already took a buy position on those areas. So whatever I'm learning, I'm teaching, he is getting that one. See, from the same area. Now, this was the buy according to structure. Rejected was done. Look at this nicely. It's a 1 minute chart. Remember one thing. Nice one. Structure shift was here done. Closed upside. Then he took again a position. Might be after this closing. Yeah. If this close was done, structure shift was done. He took a buy position. That's why every time I'm telling you to learn it, because learning will give you a good, when you have to trade, a good confidence as well, that if you trade 1 time, 2 time, 5 time, 10 time, if things are working, then you will have a confidence on your trades. If you have a confidence, you can hold your trades. See, a bad trader, it doesn't mean that he cannot have a good trade. He can, but he cannot hold it because he is not sure about his analysis. So that is the difference of mindset between a good trader and a bad trader. That's why every time I'm writing here, this batch, that batch, to learn it. Don't waste your money if you have a less knowledge. Remember, knowledge is the first thing. Experience, after that you have to take experience also. Now this Ali Anjum is getting an experience. He already learned in a batch group, but now he is coming for a special classes also. Look, his trade, it's so good, but still he wants to take a special classes. So that mindset, look, these mindset will give you a success. That keep learning. Someone don't know anything. The new trader doesn't know anything. He just makes a couple of profit. He knows that he knows everything. So that is the mistake. Now Ali Anjum is trading so good at a good level with a good risk reward, but still he feels that I need to learn more. See the mindset. Only the difference of a good and bad trader is a mindset. And mindset will come with the knowledge. Okay guys, very good. Why?